Hi, my name is Simon Schmid, and I'm a speaker at the TÜV Austria Technology Days 2024. This video was generated by several AI systems: ChatGPT for text generation, XTTS for voice cloning, and SadTalker for lip syncing. Only one photo and a voice sample was needed to create everything. I am based at the Software Competence Center Hagenberg. What makes my workplace special is its unique combination of modern research and strong industry collaboration. It provides an excellent environment for research and innovation, and I'm proud to be a part of it. My name is Simon Schmid, and I am living the future at Software Competence Center Hagenberg and TÜV Austria Group.